Hello, everyone. I'm Elsa from INNOSS Tech Lab. Today, we're going to delve into the topic of the world behind Forex EA. It's not just a piece of code, it's the perfect combination of technology, strategy, and market analysis. First, let's talk about technology. In this digital age, technology is at the core of driving everything forward. Our Forex EA is based on state-of-the-art algorithms and technology to ensure that it executes trading strategies both rapidly and accurately. From data collection and processing to strategy implementation, every step has been carefully optimized and adjusted. Next is strategy. A good trading strategy can be said to be half of an investor's success. But how do you formulate a strategy? How do you ensure that it can adapt to market changes and bring stable returns to investors? This requires a deep understanding of the market. Our team at INNOSS Tech Lab not only has seasoned technical experts, but also experienced traders. They work together to provide our EA with powerful and flexible strategic support. Finally, we can't ignore market analysis. The market is ever-changing, and an excellent Forex EA must be able to analyze market dynamics in real time and react quickly. Our EA not only analyzes a vast amount of historical data, but also adjusts strategies based on real-time market information, ensuring that every trade is based on the most accurate and up-to-date market conditions. Behind Forex EA lies a complex and ingenious world. It combines the latest technology, carefully crafted strategies, and in-depth market analysis to provide strong support for investors. And we at INNOSS Tech Lab are the driving force behind it, using technology and intelligence to navigate every investor's path to success. Thank you for listening, and we look forward to exploring more possibilities with you on your investment journey.